welcome to video number 1 of our 5-day challenge. Get your dance fit fix in 5 in February. It's going to be released on the 24th. Welcome, my name is Karen. I'm excited to do this with you. The first move that we're going to do today is called chicken noodle soup. So this came about in, I think it was 2006. I'm also going to link the video to the music and the artist. So we're going to go over the move, then we're going to practice it, throw on some music, and keep practicing because practice is perfect and it gets our heart rate up. And let's be honest, dancing is fun. Okay, so this move starts with arms. We're going to do the arms first. It goes cross, open, cross, pause, open, cross, open, pause. So it goes 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now let's get those feet planted and get our knees bouncing so you can get a little groove on here. Boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Good. Okay. Now we're going to do just the feet and then we'll put it all together. So the feet are doing this little tick-tock. Like if you've seen those grandfather clocks and the pendulum goes side to side, that's what we're doing with our feet here. So think of, extend your right foot out and then kick your left out of the way and it goes boom to the side. And then we'll do it to the other side. Switch, 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 switch. Good. You can see I'm leaning with my body each way. Lean, 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 lean. So we're going to do that in sync with our arms. So we actually do it 3 times in a pause. So let's start with our left foot up. We go 1, 2, 3 and pause. 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 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'll tell you a couple things that will help out with this move. Again, is making sure that the knees are micro bent, but still straight. You want to land softly when you go side to side. Now you can also modify this and not even have to jump, okay? But you also want to add that bounce, okay? So we'll start again with the left foot up. It goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Another tip. Fire up your abs. The abs are going to help with any movement that we do. So what I like to say is pull your belly button towards the spine. Try and pull everything to the midline. That'll help your balance. So it goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I'm out of breath already. All right, now let's add the arms. Ready? Cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. Now we're doing that at the same time as we're switching our legs on the tick-tock. So here we go. Cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. Cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. Make sure those abs are pulled in. And to help with the balance, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. So good policy, keep practicing with me, is that you start off slow and then you get faster as you progress. So we always practice slow for a long time until we perfected the move slow. That'll also help with our isolations. Watch this, holding it there. Yeah, that's gonna work those glutes and those abductors. Open, cross, 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 open. How's that going? Okay, I'm gonna get us some music right now. Take a deep breath.
Application of the citation is the iration of for gyration is the inclination of them that's inclined to keep the thing mindful is the bigger picture. Biblical descendants, scribes are no scripture. Articulation of the incantation is the foundation of the emancipation. Just whoever don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cups of cold is too cool. Far from the regular, nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and boost too. Cooler than cool. So if I don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cups of cold is too cool. Far from the regular, nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and loose too. Cooler than cool. Mind weight, ready walk roads of many sign distraction, many find time for topic. Bye bye. Me oh my oh me. Tis it so simplistic. Child's play, man's play. Could it be sadistic? Headspace locked to them plastic gods. It's too much. It's too many reasons to keep deceiving and keep it believing.